this video, we're going to review document libraries. There is a document library in both the program workspace and in the department workspace. We're going to begin with the department workspace program library. So the first thing you'll want to do is select your department from the pull-down menu. You should probably only have one department. Once you're in your department, you'll see your home page, your dashboard. Use the hamburger menu on the left and scroll down to Document Library. And once you select that, you'll see this is the general folder for all the documents under your department. There is a general folder. You can select that. There's currently nothing in that folder. You can go back to the main folder. And you can also see that we've added a task stream export folder. If you double click on that, you'll see all the documents that were carried over from TaskStream for your department. And typically these are for departments, it would be outcomes assessment workspaces. And you can see in this particular case, it's by course. I can always just go back to the main folder. If I'm in the main folder, the main document library, I can come over here. I could add a new folder if I wanted to by just clicking the plus button and then saying sample folder and save it. And now I have another sample folder. So this is a great place for you to store any supporting information, maybe samples of assessments or assessment findings that you receive from other instructors and you want to keep it all organized. You could put it in here. I mean, I could rename this and say 2023 slow findings documentation. And this would be a great place for me to store those findings rather than having to keep them on a folder on my desktop or on my office computer if I needed to possibly refer to them or attach them in another workspace within Nuventive. So we have the three folders, and you saw how easy it was to add another folder. It's just as easy to add a document. If I wanted to add something to, say, the general folder, I would just go over here and it says add file. So once you open a folder, so I could say I want to add something to this folder. Just go over here where it says plus add file, select that. I would browse your computer. You could say choose file, browse your computer, just like you're attaching any file to an email or to some other format. You choose. Once I've added any documentation or documents, PDFs, Excel, spreadsheets, Word documents, I can always just go back to the main folder by selecting the name up here, and it'll take me to the two folders. I can also go back home, which takes me to the two folders as well. Pretty simple.